Hi guys, my name is Giridhar and I'm the founder of Trade Dost. And today we will look at how we traded Banknifty. Okay, today was the expiry, the weekly expiry, and I usually trade in Banknifty. The premiums were extremely low, but still we went ahead and I think we did a good job of managing to get a return of close to 1.2% of the capital that was deployed. And I managed close to 3 accounts, and in total we went ahead and booked a profit of close to 1,81,000 rupees. Okay, and this is one of the accounts, and you can see that these were all the orders that I punched in. There were close to 190 plus orders, and we started trading as early as my first order that went in was at 9:15:34, and the last order was at almost 3 o'clock, which means that we were in the market for almost the entire day. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at order flow and how that helped us in making trading decisions today. Okay, so this is where the market started, right? So if you look at this, the moment the market started, there was an crazy impulse buy that came in. Okay, and then it hit the high of almost 41,700. Okay, which means that from 550 it went to almost 800. Let's take a round figure, which means that 250 points was shot up in the first 5-minute candle. But what you notice is that there was no liquidity whatsoever from 41,550 to 41,680, which means liquidity start coming in only here. Okay, and then the market kept dragging on the downside, though there were a lot of players trying to buy the low. Okay, that could not be held. Okay, and then as we could see throughout the market, there was a lot of selling pressure that kept coming in throughout the day. Okay, and the market kept dragging on the downside, but very interesting pattern. It was stuck in a very small range. It is between 41,600 and 41,700. This was a very tight 100-point range. Now, if you look at just the charts, this is the way it would look like. So if you look at this particular price action, it was steadily going down. Okay, so if you look at this, it was steadily going down. There was one attempt made to buy at this bottom. Okay, but then again it kept getting sold off. But one thing that I noticed was that though there was a lot of selling pressure that would came in, one, the volumes were missing, right, as the selling kept happening. And then even in this down move, there was very interesting patterns that we could see, and we had seen this in the previous video as well, where we said that if there are institutions present who are willing to buy at a lower price, they will go ahead and push the market up. This is exactly the same thing that we put in yesterday's video, and that same pattern kind of worked out today as well. Look at this, 1,300 contracts, almost 950 contracts, 1,300 contracts, which means somebody was buying at the bottom here. Okay, and then we know that if somebody keeps buying at the lows, sellers will give up and say that, boss, I'm putting in so much effort and money to make a profit, I'm not able to do that. They would have to cover, and that is exactly what happened. Okay, there was a whipsaw. There was an attempt made on this particular, at 2:30. There was an attempt that was made, but they were very unsuccessful, and the market ended up closing at the high. Now, for tomorrow, what I see is it's a very, very, very strong close, which means that we almost close at the day's high. Okay, which means that very likely the market will continue to rise up towards the top. Okay, because if you look at just the price action terms, there's a very beautiful head and shoulder pattern that you can actually see. You see this? Okay, let me just draw this for you. This is a shoulder. This is a shoulder. You get what I'm saying, right? So basically here is shoulder here is the head. So there's like a proper head and shoulder pattern that was given a breakout. And ideally, we will see the market continue rallying towards the top. Okay, so that is the action for tomorrow. Hopefully you like this particular video and it added some value to you. So please do follow the channel for more such videos. And if you really like the content, don't forget to like, comment and share. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.